Do you find yourself in a financial bind? Are you wondering how to make money on Cash App fast? If so, you're in the right place. In this easy-to-digest, all-inclusive guide, we're taking a look at how you can quickly and easily make money on Cash App. Then we're going to walk you through how you can quickly and easily use Do Not Pay to make money on Cash App. Finally, we'll talk a bit about what else Do Not Pay can help you with, like making money on your computer. How to make money on Cash App. There are quite a number of ways you can make money on Cash App. For instance, you can get free money by signing up, activating cash card boosts, referring friends, entering social media contests, buying Bitcoin, signing up. If you're desperately searching for how to make money on your phone or apps you can make money on, you will be pleased to know that you may qualify for a free $5 just for signing up for Cash App. That said, there is a caveat. You need to follow 5 steps to get your $5. Install the Cash App application on your mobile device, tap on your face located in the top right corner of your screen. Locate and select the green referral code button on the bottom by scrolling all the way down the menu. Enter the referral code provided by Do Not Pay's coupon product. Transfer no fewer than $5 to a friend or initiate another transaction within 2 weeks of downloading the app. Activating cash card boosts. You can also get free money on Cash App by getting a free Visa debit card from the mobile wallet and activating discounts. The Cash App Cash Card is the most reliable way to get one-time discounts at participating stores and service providers, including DoorDash, Taco Bell, and PlayStation Store. Generally, you can expect to save between 5 and 15% when using your Cash Card, but you should keep in mind that you can only use your Cash Card right away for online purchases. It will take a couple of weeks for your physical card to come in the mail. With that being said, if you're not looking to save money rather than put cash in your virtual wallet, it's much easier to use Do Not Pay to scan the web for coupons for your favorite restaurants and retailers. Referring friends. This is another opportunity for you to make money on Cash App. Specifically, you can get $15 for every friend that joins the app through your link. To refer your friends, you need to find the Invite Friends button on your Personal Account tab and select it. There are 3 ways you can invite your friends to start using the app. Give Cash App access to the contact list on your phone so the app can text a link. Add phone numbers manually so the app can text an invite link. Adding your friends' email addresses manually so the app can email an invite link. With all of the above being said, neither you nor your friends will get the bonus cash if they do not enter your referral code. Make sure they remember to submit the referral code. Entering social media contests. You also may be able to make money on Cash App by entering to win contests on Twitter and Instagram. Periodically, there will be giveaways that you can enter to win. The more often you play, the more likely you are to win. Buying Bitcoin. You can also make money on Cash App by buying Bitcoin. The best part is that the purchase minimum is only $1, although small trading fees may apply.